exhaust. This is kind of a cool startup right now. This is not a cold start, because when the cold start is, that's really loud in this car. Like, it's like I've seen people around my neighborhood drop their keys because the sound this thing makes. Let's first start off. When I first got it, when I got it from the shop and whatever, and I heard the sound and I was driving, the first thought came into my head was like, what did I do? Like, because I'm not a huge exhaust person. I'm very picky. I hate drone. And the Outlaw series is it's a very drone driven kind of exhaust when you're on a highway going at least above like 65 miles per hour, or going, I would say 80, especially 80 if you are going like 80, 85 and you have it on 6th gear, which like most people don't really drive it on 6th gear, but when you're cruising, you just, you put it on 6th gear, but it's it drones like just straight, that constant sound. And my ears were ringing from the first day, the first initial day, my ears were ringing. And after like, I would say 3 days, I got used to it. Like, I don't really hear the drone. But where this exhaust really shines is throughout traffic. It shines like crazy when you're going like between 40 to 45 miles per hour, or 2nd gear, you're doing 20 miles per hour. Like, you let go of the gas anywhere between 3,000 to 2,000 RPMs, it's backfiring crazy. I had the window down and I backfired. I wasn't even trying to. I was like, who the car is that? It's like, it's mine. I was like, oh shit. It's badass, yeah. But with this exhaust, like, I could feel the rumbling of the exhaust on the floorboards. Like, you feel it. I'm going to go get some food right now. It's going to be a little bit of a drive. I have the inside cabin audio of the exhaust with the windows up, and then we'll do it with the windows down. And I probably have a couple of flybys. I attempted to mount the dash on the outside of the bumper. I got a little bit of the audio, but the camera fell like as soon as I didn't even take off. It fell because the exhaust, like the bumper is vibrating more, and it just vibrated off. And plus the car's dirty, so it's not a real clean surface to stick to at the moment. But yeah, just normal driving, like, it's loud. Like, the exhaust is loud. Like, people constantly just they look at me while they're honking out and just being normal pedestrians. Like, between 25 to 3,000 RPMs, you're going to hear this. You cannot sneak away on anybody in this car. I really thought I was going to regret the purchase. It's like, oh wow, I'm going to have to, it's like, I'm probably going to hold this for a year and then go back to my stock exhaust. But after a week of driving it, like, this car is not the same car without this exhaust. I have my complaint about it, but it's to be expected. I believe I need a tune, because it feels like I lost like, how do I say, like a little bit of back pressure, because the exhaust piping is bigger than stock, and it kind of feels like I lost power, but in the same breath it also feels like the car can handle more now. So it's not like it's a complete like, oh, I don't feel the whole power. It's like, I just know this car can like handle more now. Like, it doesn't pull. Like, when I used to take off in this car when it was stock, it used to yank my head back. This is 3,000 RPMs. Now it's like, I have to be above like 3,000 RPMs at the moment just to get that normal feel that I used to get from the car being stock or whatnot. But I'm gonna find and get a tune. I'm gonna figure me a while for my ears to get adjusted to the sound. It was ringing for 2 or 3 days. I've never put an exhaust in any car that I have. I've been in a lot of exhaust cars, but they're never not a V8, so it's like a V4. My friend, he had a Eagle Talon. With no resonator. So at this moment, I'm not doing more than 3,000 RPMs. That's like this. The highest you're gonna hear. This is 3,000 with the windows up. And in a few, I'll put the windows down. And when you're under 2,000 RPM, like the note kind of lulls a little bit. It'll sound higher than it'll sound higher than 3,000 RPMs, but it's like a little low kind of drony sound that it is kind of irritating just a little bit. But once you get above 2,000 RPMs, where you pushing the gas pedal, it'll sound better. But once you get above 2,000, it's back to that FlowMaster, that growl that it has. And it's such a raspy sound because of the Xpipe. It's hot out here today, 89 degrees. I don't even want to put the window down, but I do it for you guys. And you don't hear a lot of people talking about the FlowMaster exhaust in these S550s, because you hear Borla a lot, you hear Corsa, and those are really like very out of the pocket, like loud exhaust. And like, I'm not a fanatic of that kind of sound. Like, I like hearing it, but like for every day I wouldn't. Like, this is like crazy loud for me. But like the tone of the exhaust is like, it's really nice. It's really nice. All right, let's put the windows down. I'm under 2,000 RPMs right now, so it's kind of like a little low drony sound. Hear the backfire? I know exactly what I'm gonna do now. I should have done this. Set up the camera. That was 2,500 RPMs right there. Just gassing it. But once you let go of the gas, you don't hear this exhaust at all. Especially if you put it in neutral. It becomes a hybrid kind of. Police officers gonna stop. Something put that on 6 gear so quick. You see, that's how quick it shuts up. Backfire. 7 exhaust. Still getting used to the sound. You might see me in different outfits. This video might need me to record in more than one day, because I want to take it out on the highway and have you guys hear the drone sounds that this exhaust makes. Flyby the other day, or highway sounds or noises, because it rained on us. I was playing basketball yesterday, and the idea was to, after basketball, to finish shooting the video. Well, I'm gonna kind of finish it today. Hopefully get some sounds of the drone that this exhaust makes. Gear, 75 miles per hour. If you press it on the gas, that's when you get drone. It's around 2,000 RPMs. See, I let go of the gas, you don't hear it. But if you downshift to 5th gear, you don't get that sound. It's just loud. About 83. Just a little bit. I think the sound is starting to change in the exhaust right now, because I swear it was way worse than what I just heard right now. I only put like maybe 500 miles on it now. Okay, just made it to work. I'm late, so I'm gonna rush the ending of this video right now. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. My next video most likely is gonna be me installing, not me, it's gonna be me getting my Hearst shifter installed into the vehicle. So tune into that, then I'll do a little test review on that. And I'm 85 miles for 10,000 miles, probably do a 10,000 mile review on the Mustang. What I like about it, what I don't. So see you guys later. Peace.